Hey guys, what's up? Today let's look at performance review of latest Android 12 Beta 2.1 running on Xiaomi POCO F1. This is a port from Pixel 5 latest Android 12 Beta version. I'll be doing a performance review of this ROM with all bugs noticed. So before getting started, check out my channel for knowing more taste of my work and subscribe if you like them. To begin with, when comes to about phone session, the Android version is yes, and it got latest security patch from 5th June 2021. The kernel they are using is Genos R16.1, which is a performance based kernel. When comes to security, the ROM got fingerprint unlock and it works great, but there is no face unlock present, which is expected. The ROM is not encrypted out of the box. The QS panel does has the new look for sure, and it is stunning. There is screen recorder present and many more options which are useful and not useful. If you come to dialer, you can see kind of bug here. After dialing, the caller screen is not visible, but you can access from notification. Again, there is no presence of call recorder. As you see, the dialer opening animation was pretty much slow, including typing numbers. You can see how slow the calling screen is popping up. Apart from that, I felt app opening animations are bit slow. When it comes to recent menu, the ROM does include screenshot, select and left to right swipe, clear all option as well. The select feature will allow you to select only necessary parts. Apart from selecting all, the screenshot works well. If you see, the current running temperature of this ROM is 42 degrees Celsius. The safety net check fails out of the box. Also, the device is not Google Play Protect certified. When it comes to benchmark, the Antutu scores 2,55,000 and Geekbench scores for single core 418 and multi-core 1718, which are very much below average score for POCO F1. The ROM does support Gcam. The Gcam features are working somehow, but they are very much slow. To click a picture can take 3 to 4 seconds at times. Since the benchmarks are not that great, I am not going to do a CPU throttling test with this ROM. So next is gaming test. As usual, BGMI bootcamp hot drop. Now that the gaming is going on, let's talk about the main issues. If you notice closely, first is with screen recorder. The screen recorder is not capable of recording audio and screen with same time. So as you see, the sound and pictures are in different time. I did try with a different screen recorder, but I didn't get any luck for making this correct. Next is the gaming. From the start of game, there is kind of freezing issue which you can find in this gameplay. Next is gyro issue which I was noticing in between. So totally, as per my opinion, this ROM is only usable for testing and understanding the new experience of Android 12. Cannot be used as a daily driver, neither for gaming. Hope this video was helpful to you. Like and shares are always appreciated. Nothing more, nothing less. Till next time, be safe and take care.